Good morning students, welcome back. Today we will also study worksheet 6 and the name of the worksheet is To Make a Garden, and it is a poem type of worksheet and it is written by Mary Ann Hoberman. Mary Ann Hoberman is the poet of this worksheet. So in this poem you will get to know how we can make a garden. So it is explained here how you can grow a garden near your home and near any places you want. So let us read. To make a garden, all you need is just a single simple seed. So first of all, to make a garden, what the poet is saying, we need a single simple seed. A seed from which a plant can grow. Okay, in garden we have seen there are many plants and many trees. So the trees and plants grow from seed. So first of all, what you need to make a garden, we need a simple seed. Okay, a patch of earth, a sheltered spot. A patch of earth means a good area of mud, a good area where the seed can grow properly, and a sheltered spot. Sheltered means protected from bad weather, where the weather is not bad and the weather is stable. So we need a sheltered spot to grow a plant and to make and set up a garden. That's not too cold but not too hot. So the area should be not too cold and also not hot. It should be a combined of both the things. It should be not too cold and not too hot also. Okay, a little rain and a lot of sun. So the area should be with lot of sun, where the sun comes directly on it, and little rain. We all know that plants and trees need rain to grow, right? And sun to grow. Without sun and rain we can't grow plants and trees, right? That's all you need. Okay, and you are done. So what the poet is saying, that these are the only things that all you need and you are done. Okay, in some strange way your seed will know just how to sprout and how to grow. So after doing all this, once you plant the seed will itself know that how to grow and how to sprout. Sprout means to grow new leaves and buds. After we plant a seed, the seed itself will start growing into leaves, until you see, to your surprise, a miracle before your eyes. So as the time passes, we see it and we will get surprised by seeing it, and a miracle before our eyes. Miracle means something very good that happens suddenly. A baby leaf still curled up tight, that's pushing upward towards the light. So once you plant a seed, then it will start growing. Then it will start growing into a baby leaf first, right? The baby leaf is first curvy, and then as the time passes it will push itself and start growing into a plant, and then day by day it will grow into a huge tree, right? What will it be, a tree or a weed? So what is the poet saying, that what will it be? It will be a big tree or a weed. Weed means it is a bushy area, and so what the poet is saying, that or it will be a only plant, like it would be a only bushy area where flowers and little plants grow. Each one is started from a seed. So both the things are started from a seed. We can grow tree also from a seed, and we can grow weed also from a seed. Okay, so what you need is seed. The seed is the main part to make a garden. With the help of the seed you can grow trees, plants and weeds. Okay, thank you.